name's Elias, and we're doing the Nerf war. And whoever gets to, that's the lady right there who is recording first.
It's 1A.
Is gonna win. Alright?
Alright.
First, my name's Elias.
My name is Angel the Destroyer.
My name is Tyon.
Adrian?
Adrian Captain Price.
Whoa. And we are Team Blast Off.
Me and him are a team.
Wait, what's the name?
What's your team name?
Team name, people.
The Destroyers.
Okay, let's do this. They get this side, we get that side.
Wait, Angel, what is your name?
My name is Angel the Destroyer.
And we are doing the...
Daddy, what's your team name?
My team name is Team Blast Off.
And we are doing the... My team name is Captain.
Let's do this. All
This
right,
is the
go.
Nerf challenge.
Nerf challenge.
Go.
We're starting in 10 seconds.
Woo! 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, they're starting the battle right now. They're gonna come in.
You did it! You did it!
Go, Adrian!
My war name is Captain.
Come on, go get it, Tyon. Come on, Tyon, run! Run! Ooh, where are they gonna be?
Go save your friend, Elias.
Remember, this can't be this has to be less than 15 minutes.
All right. Where's the other one?
I don't know. They're all in the backyard, I guess.
I'll be back.
Oh, gosh, there's a bee. Big bee. Don't sting me. Where they gonna be? Who knows where they're gonna show up? Come on, people! The people want to see you! They don't want to be staring at the neighborhood all day. By the way, I got more Shopkins down there. But by the way, this is Elias's video. I'm doing it on his tablet, my fingers. Come on, guys, the people are waiting. Come on, guys, you gotta be in the front yard too.
Huh?
You gotta be in the front yard too.
Not too close. Oh, good job, guys.
Who won?
The Destroyers.
You guys could have been in the front yard.
I pause it.
Here.
Pause.
Wait, are we subscribing and liking?
Yes.
Here, look.
Never quit.
Subscribe.
Subscribe and like. Peace out.
Everybody, peace. Peace. Peace, everybody.
Peace. Peace, President. Peace.
Bye, guys.
Bye.